Welcome to Let's Build a Willys Jeep. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your battery cable ground onto your 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep. This right here is a cable you can pick up from Walks 4-wheel drive parts. Very good store for all your electrical wiring, as it comes pre-assembled with the terminal that connects directly to your battery, comes encased in loom. It's your 1-gauge battery cable, and then it comes with a terminal that'll connect directly to the frame of your Jeep, and your battery will be installed on your battery tray, where this cable right here will run, and it'll connect to your battery and then run the distance down, and then it'll ground to the battery tray right here. There really is not much to this installation. You just have your 1-gauge battery ground cable. Then you also have your bolt. This right here is a 3/8 coarse thread bolt, 1 inch long, with 2 washers, lock washer, and a nut. This bolt will thread right through your terminal on your battery ground cable, and then it'll terminate right into your battery tray right here. Here's a closer view of where your battery will be installed. Your battery will be installed right here on top of your battery tray, and then your battery ground cable will run from your battery down and loop this way and then connect directly to your battery tray. And note that it's very important that we remove all paint from this hole, as you want to ensure we have a nice connection for your ground battery cable. And this right here is where your ground battery cable will attach directly to, and you want to ensure that this brass will make direct contact with your battery tray, ensuring we have a great ground. In the case you need to remove the paint around your hole, I would get your drill with the wire wheel attachment, and with your wire wheel, it will remove all the paint around your hole. Ensure to repeat the same step on the back side of your battery tray, removing all paint and residue from around the hole. Once all the paint is removed, we can now install our negative battery cable to the battery tray, and it'll just be your bolt, your lock washer, then it'll go through your terminal on your battery cable, and then we'll push it right directly through the hole. And then on the back side, we will put your washer, lock washer, and nut. On the back side, you have your washer, lock washer, and nut. And now we can tighten everything up. Finally, tighten down your bolt until it's hand tight. When tightening your bolt, I would ensure that you install your battery ground cable in a nice vertical line, so it's easier to install onto the negative terminal on your battery, and it'll just tighten on as so. And that is how you install your battery ground cable, or in other words, your negative cable that will attaches to your battery, then runs straight down to a ground, which in our case is your battery tray. And that is how you install your battery ground cable on your 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep. Thanks for watching and subscribe.